Welcome to Action English Academy. In this video, you will learn advanced English words and their easiest everyday alternatives. These words will help you speak more clearly and naturally in English. After each word explanation, you will watch a short action clip. So let's get started. First word is ergophile. Ergophile means a person who loves to work. The easiest word for this is workaholic. Learn how to use it in a sentence. Look at these two examples. He is an ergophile. He enjoys working all the time. She is a workaholic and rarely takes a break. Now watch the action clip.
He is an ergophile. He enjoys working all the time.
Yes, he is a workaholic and rarely takes a break.
Second word is phytophile. Phytophile means a person who loves plants. The easiest word for this is plant lover. Learn how to use it in a sentence. Look at these two examples. She is a phytophile. Her house is full of plants. He is a plant lover and takes care of his garden daily. Now watch the action clip.
She is a phytophile. Her house is full of plants.
Yes, she is a plant lover and takes care of her garden daily.
Third word is dendrophile. Dendrophile means a person who loves trees. The easiest word for this is tree lover. Learn how to use it in a sentence. Look at these two examples. He is a dendrophile. He spends time in forests. She is a tree lover and plants trees every year. Now watch the action clip.
He is a dendrophile. He spends time in forests.
Yes, he is a tree lover and plants trees every year.
Fourth word is logophile. Logophile means a person who loves words. The easiest word for this is word lover. Learn how to use it in a sentence. Look at these two examples. He is a logophile. He enjoys learning new words. She is a word lover and writes daily. Now watch the action clip.
He is a logophile. He enjoys learning new words.
Yes, he is a word lover and writes daily.
Last word is bibliophile. Bibliophile means a person who loves books. The easiest word for this is book lover. Learn how to use it in a sentence. Look at these two examples. He is a bibliophile. His room is full of books. She is a book lover and reads every night. Now watch the action clip.
She is a bibliophile. Her room is full of books.
Yes, she is a book lover and reads every night.
If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like and share. Subscribe to Action English Academy for more simple and powerful English lessons. Keep learning, keep improving. See you in the next video. Bye!